Did you know that red foxes are known for their adaptability and cunning nature? No wonder fox is used to describe cunning people. Do you know that red foxes have excellent hearing and a keen sense of smell, allowing them to detect prey from far away? It's like having built-in radar and a super sniffer. Do you know that red foxes use a unique hunting technique called mousing, where they leap high into the air to catch small rodents? Imagine combining ballet with a surprise party. Do you know that red foxes have a diverse diet, eating everything from small mammals to fruits and insects? Talk about being a food critic with no reservations. Next time you see a red fox, appreciate their adaptability and intelligence. And remember, being foxy isn't just about looks. Subscribe for more amazing nature stories.